Guys, welcome back to Qara's Kitchen, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make my loaded mashed potatoes. This is all the ingredients you will need. First, I'm going to start off by washing my potatoes, and you want to make sure you rinse them off really well because you will be leaving some of the skin on it. This is a personal preference, but I'm going to leave some of the skin on my potatoes. If you don't want to leave the skin on your potatoes, you don't have to. Now I'm just going to slice up my potatoes in smaller pieces so when I boil them they won't take as long, and I'm just kind of picking out the nasty parts of the potato. And now I'm just going to cook my potatoes until they're nice and soft. Now that my potatoes are done, I'm just going to drain the water off of them. Now I'm just going to add milk until I get it to the consistency I like. Now I'm just going to add all my ingredients, and again, I don't measure my seasonings, I just kind of eyeball and taste in between. Don't forget to add your butter. I had to go back and add butter after I cut the camera. I only added about 4 ounces of the Philadelphia cream cheese, so that's like half of a package. Don't forget to add your sour cream. I almost forgot in this video I had to go back and add it once I realized why the taste was off.